To share internet of your Samsung S25 with some other devices, you will have to start by opening Settings, then move into Connections. Right now navigate into Mobile Hotspot and Tethering and click on this switcher to turn it on. So tap just right here, click OK. There we go. And as you can see right now, we can find some parameters like network name, password, AP band. You can of course change it if you want. So by tapping here, you can change it like this. Also, we can change security. I can recommend you to switch to WPA3 personal. And when you go for some more advanced settings, we can find MAC address type. We can also set this option to turn off when there's no devices connected for like 20 minutes. But if you want to keep your hotspot turned on ever, like forever, just select never timeout. You can even hide the network, so your mobile hotspot name won't appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. And you can also support Wi-Fi 6 standard. And here you can click save, and that's how it actually looks. You can also prioritize real-time traffic by clicking on this switcher, and here get this automatic hotspot, but it's only for this specific account. You can also enable it to family sharing, so you can invite someone from your family members. But if you want to basically connect quickly by using QR code, or you can just do this right here. So you can let someone scan the QR code, or for example, save as image, and then someone can actually connect by reading image from the gallery. So that will be all. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.